Welcome to Invest to Freedom. I am Frank. People often believe that turning your financial life around takes decades of painful sacrifice or a massive stroke of luck. But the reality is much simpler. You do not need to win the lottery, and you do not need a magical new career. What you actually need is 6 months of intense, focused discipline. Give me 6 months, and I will give you a step-by-step blueprint to go from constant money anxiety to absolute financial control. Before we break down this 6-month roadmap, I want to hear from you. What is the biggest financial fear keeping you awake at night? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are truly ready to take control of your wealth and build a secure future, hit that subscribe button right now. Let us dive in. Month 1 is all about complete financial honesty. Most of us go through life deliberately ignoring our bank statements because looking at them causes physical stress. We avoid the reality of our spending, but avoidance is the ultimate enemy of wealth. For the next 30 days, your only goal is to track every single penny that leaves your pocket. Write down your fixed costs like housing and utility bills. But more importantly, track the silent wealth killers. Are you handing out too much cash to adult children who should be financially independent? Are you paying for expensive insurance policies or subscriptions you do not even understand? Do not try to change your habits yet. Just observe them. By the end of month 1, you will have a crystal clear picture of your actual financial reality. Month 2 is about building your first wall of defense. Your goal this month is to stockpile exactly 1 month of basic living expenses in pure cash. This is not for investing. This is your immediate shock absorber. As we get older, unexpected costs are not a matter of if, but when. A sudden medical bill, a necessary home repair, or a sharp increase in property taxes can completely wipe out your peace of mind. By saving 1 full month of expenses, you stop relying on high-interest credit cards to survive emergencies. You might have to cancel your trips, stop eating at restaurants, and live incredibly lean for 4 weeks to achieve this. Do it. The psychological relief of knowing you are 1 month ahead of your bills is your first true taste of financial freedom. Month 3 is the war on toxic debt. Not all debt is the same. A reasonable mortgage is fine, but high-interest consumer debt is a financial disease that will slowly and silently destroy your retirement. Credit cards, personal loans, and auto loans carrying double-digit interest rates must be eliminated immediately. Rank these debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest. Take every spare dollar you found during your month 1 audit and throw it aggressively at the debt with the highest rate. If you are paying 20% interest to a bank, you are bleeding wealth. Killing this debt gives you an instant, guaranteed return on your money. Month 4 is when you begin building your invisible fortress. Now that your worst debt is gone, you need to expand that 1-month safety net into a solid 3 to 6 month emergency fund. This money should be parked in a high-yield savings account where it is safe from stock market crashes and greedy financial advisors. This is the money that guarantees your absolute independence. It ensures that you never have to move in with your relatives or rely on your children for survival. You are buying your own dignity. It takes time to build a 6-month reserve, but the momentum you gained in month 3 will carry you through. Month 5 is about asset optimization. When people think about getting richer, they usually think about working harder or taking on a second job. But there is a much faster way, especially later in life. You need to optimize what you already have. Look at your home. Are you living in a massive empty house paying huge taxes, maintenance, and heating bills? Downsizing could instantly free up hundreds of thousands of dollars in locked equity. Look at your savings. Are they sitting in a traditional bank earning 0 interest, or are you utilizing safe, low-cost index funds and treasury bills? Review your tax strategies and your pension options. You do not always need to earn more. Sometimes, you just need to stop the money from leaking out of the bucket. Month 6 is the final step, and it is all about automation. Willpower is exhausted easily, and you should be spending your energy enjoying life, not stressing over paying bills. The secret to lasting wealth is making it automatic. Set up your bank account so that your utilities, property taxes, and insurance premiums are paid automatically. Set up automatic transfers so that a portion of your income goes straight into your investment and savings accounts the exact moment you get paid. You want your financial system to run completely in the background. When your money is managed by a rigid automated system, you completely remove human error and emotional panic from the equation. 6 months from now, you can either be in the exact same stressful position you are in today, or you can be financially bulletproof. The time will pass anyway. It is not about having a massive income. It is about having a rock-solid system. Start month 1 today. Thank you for listening. I am Frank. This is Invest to Freedom, and I will see you in the next one.